and I'm coming to you with the Advanced RP team located at our demo center here in Sewanee, Georgia. Today we wanted to share with you about the new F-Series printers from Stratasys and how easy and simple it is to swap out a material or change from one material to another. It's actually the exact same process. So we wanted to show that to you, but instead of just talking theory about how fast it is, because people always say, oh, it's so fast, we really wanted to show you exactly how fast this can be. So, I grabbed the little timer on my phone. We're going to hit the stopwatch here. Simply press start. See this? All right, away we go. You walk up to the system. Simply press the material canister bay. Select the canister bay you wish to unload. Press that material and say, I want to take that ASA out. And press on the unload button. Now, what's it doing? The little click you heard was the system locking the doors. After it locks the doors, it begins to heat up the liquefier. Once the liquefier is heated up enough that it can pull the material back out of the head, it will then release it from the head and allow me to pull it out of the material canister bay drawer. So I'm going to open that drawer up. And with that, I had selected number 2 for the ASA model. I will open this up. I can hear that it's already prepping itself to be unloaded. Click. It's ready to go. So I reach in here, I grab the spool, I feed the material back out of the line. Once it's completely out of the line, I can just simply pull this spool out, put it to the side, grab another one, whether it's the same material or again, a completely different one. I don't have to change anything. Put that spool in. Once the system reads the chip, it's going to pull up on the screen the material and a little amber warning around it saying, I don't have enough material yet. Push in a little bit more. So I feed a little material in until that amber warning goes away. It's ready to go. I press on the load button. It simply takes the material, starts to feed it back up into the head, into the liquefier to do an extrusion. At this point, I can simply close the drawer. Now, in most cases, like other FDM systems, it's at this point that, well, I'm going to head down the hall and start cooking a pizza. Or at that point, I'm going to grab a bottle of water and head back to my desk and check my emails. Find one of my coworkers, have a couple of little chats, do anything I need to do to fill the 15 minutes that it would normally take to do a changeover on a lot of other systems. This one is going to be less than 3. In less than 3 minutes, we're going to show you that it's unloaded the material, we've swapped it out, reloaded it, fed back in. What's it doing right now? Well, the system is taking that material, feeding it back into the head, heating up the liquefier enough that at the point that it can actually feed the material into the liquefier through the tip and do a quick extrusion. At the end of that point, I don't even have warm pepperoni yet, and this thing is already going to be done with the entire process. The entire process. And how fast is that really going to be? Well, we're going to show you that it's going to be under 3 minutes. And so at this point, it's finishing up the liquefying point of getting the material into the head, doing the extrusion. It's going to then give me a click saying that the door has been unlocked and the process is done. And at that point, I will see on the screen that this will be a solid blue line instead of a little dancing one right now where it's saying, I'm still feeding, I'm still feeding. Click, we're finished. I will press stop. Line is solid. Highlighted, blue, we're finished. And where'd we land? 2 minutes, 49 seconds. In under 3 minutes, we managed to do an entire material change or could have switched to a completely different material. Didn't have to change a tip, didn't have to change a head. We're done. We're done. That's how easy this can be. So we just wanted to give you an example of that in real time. Thank you so much for joining us today. Watch for more of our videos. Have a great day. Bye.